It's a very good weather, guys. Konti na lang talaga ang snow. Konti na lang talaga ang snow. Nawawala na siya na melt na. So, konting tiis na lang talaga. Ganito lang tayo. I'm going to work now. But I'm taking a bus. So, magbabas ako, guys. And so, saan kaya galing itong mga puti na ito? They're from Graceland? This church or this church? I think church, the other church. Church. They're from the church. Anglican church. Anglican church. So, maraming church dito, guys. Because maybe of the influence of the ancestrals. So, diba? Ang liwanag na. The brightness over sa lakad natin. So, dito sa kabila. So, dito tayo, guys. Dito na tayo sa kapitulan, guys. So, ganyan church. Diba? Yan ang church. Yan ang church. Anglican church. Okay, maraming church dito. These are Anglican church. Then ito naman ang Christ Church. Anglican church. Ito naman ang Christ Church.